afternoon. It's already 11 o'clock. Where are we going first?
I want to go to the Big Five so we can get our hiking sticks.
Okay.
And then grab some lunch.
Okay. And then go to California Plantain. He said
I
it.
forgot about
He
that.
said it, not me.
How can I forget? Oh.
He said, I'm going to take you to California Plantain today. I didn't even have to say it.
Well, it is one day before your birthday, so I gotta get you that.
I want this bracelet there I saw, but hopefully it's still there. And then if I buy a plant, I buy it.
You're gonna buy another plant today?
I don't know. If it calls to me, if it speaks to me, if it says, take me home, take me home. Avery has her Trolls book back there. I like your Yoda mask. Jump. Jump. You're jumping? You're jumping at Big Five? Jump. 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 Whoa, 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 whoa. You have to let go of my hands. It's really, oh my gosh. I don't know, but look at that.
Hey babe, look at my kayak.
I want a kayak. These are nice kayaks. I wonder how much they are. I don't know about her. Weirdo. No, I don't like that one. I like the green one. So we got our trekking sticks. And I want to get some pepper spray for safety. I should get some. Where's my baby? Stop running away from me! Stop running! Stop running away from me! Can you stop it? Oh my gosh, I can't keep up with this child. Okay, I caught this little Tasmanian devil. I caught her.
Yeah, so you could try.
She's crazy. She's crazy. You crazy woman. Babe, what happened?
I passed. My teacher just called me.
And?
I passed my final exam.
And
I'm going to the nursing program in September.
woo! High five. Well, you got a 92%. So, this guy right here, going to the nursing program. Right here, him.
Oh my god, dude, I can't believe. Such a relief, you know what I mean? The past like year and a half when I was like just waiting. You know what I mean? Because they didn't have space for me last year. And then with the whole COVID thing, kind of messed up like all my plans. But I stuck through it, you know? And then at least now I know exactly.
Did they officially say you're in the nursing program?
She told me. She's going to send me a letter.
Cool.
So if all goes well, I'll do my clinicals in September, and then hopefully I graduate in May next year.
Cool.
I'm excited. Let's celebrate.
Told you again. No.
Okay.
Something else. So, I remember watching Leia's vlogs, and she had a stun gun. So, I got a stun gun and pepper spray. It was a deal. Dude, look, this was $44.99. 45 bucks. And it was on sale for $24.99. So $25. And especially during this time, with all the craziness, I think this safety, this added safety for me to have is important. So yeah, and it's cute. It's purple. Like a woman cared about the color. Right, babe? We're here having lunch at dim sum now because I crave Chinese food.
Want the how many of the shrimp do you want?
Maybe just one
What else
or
do you
two.
want? Two? What else?
Avery is exhausted from running around Big Five. She's knocked out now. Yum, 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 yum. Ooh, look, it's steaming. And look, Ben got chicken feet. I'm not gonna eat that, but he wanted chicken feet. Yum, yum, yum. He's eating chicken feet.
F you, man.
Babe, oh my gosh. Oh, got a little bone there. You good?
Hmm?
Look, he's protecting Avery. So he doesn't drip on her.
I should have wanted any chicken feet drippings.
Nope. Oh dang, all the food almost all here. Yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Ben got us hats to go hiking in. Matching hats, to be exact.
We just did.
So the sun, and then has like a little neck protection. But these are our hiking hats for my birthday. And then we also got hecka food.
Bacon.
But we're not going backpacking anymore.
Chicken teriyaki.
Got new hiking gear, a tent, and a sleeping bag.
Dude, it's light.
Why are you nosy? Why you want to see what's going on? So anyways, I got my Crystal Hope. So cute, so cute. Go outside. Hurry up, little butt. What do you want to do? I'm going to trampoline. Nope. 2, 3, let go. Whee! Oh, okay. She stands up when she goes down. Wanna go jump on your trampoline? Come on. Jump, jump, jump. Thanks, Auntie Leia, for my trampoline. So, let me water my giant golden puffos that I planted. I kept it outside because the thing is just so ginormous. I don't know where to put it in our house. It's just gonna like be way too big, so I just left it outside. Okay. I think Ben mentioned that he plans to put like tan bark here. I don't know when he's gonna do it. That's what he was talking about. Even though we're renting this place, I think he wants to put tan bark so it's better for Avery. I think tan bark's cheap. Is it cheap, Avery? Is tan bark cheap? So, just laying on a trampoline. Ben's taking a nap. Avery's jumping. Whoa, 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 whoa. Got a new bracelet at California Plantain too. The pink one. Cute. It has a little monstera leaf. You like my bracelet? Yeah. And then I got some cedar burning sticks because Joanne does that and I want to try to see how it was. Our backyard has turned into Avery's play place. Look at this. Scooters, bikes, kiddie pool. Play set over there. Yes, this is your playground. Is it not, little child? Ooh. There you go. Cool. Yeah. Oh, you want to kick it?
Oh, now you want me. You didn't want me to touch you earlier.
Go.
Fluff? Where'd you get that word, Avery? It's plant. You say plant? Avery? You like? Oh.
I liked it.
You say I like. Oh.
Okay, here, try this one, Avery.
You like it? Avery got her kids smoothie. Kayla got her acai bowl. Original, right? Got my kale one.
This sunrise pina colada, I think, right? It's pretty good.
This was a lava
Flow.
lava flow lemonade
Dude,
that
this
we've
is
all
hella
tried.
I like that one.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Look, you have lipstick on.
All natural. With fruit.
Oh my gosh, Kayla, take it away from her! I'm gonna cry. I just dropped off Avery to her Lolo-in-laws. I'm not gonna see her for 2 days. 3 days. I'm not gonna see Avery for 2 days. I'm so sad. Okay, I'm gonna go eat.
Oh,
We are at Mel's Diner. We are at Mel's Diner. And I'm so sad. I'm so sad about leaving Avery. I cried.
Yeah.
I was in the car. Dude, Kayla got a car.
Car.
Because apparently kids menu is below what? 12?
Uh-huh.
So Kayla ordered off the kids menu, got a car. I got breakfast. We got ribs. You know where I'm at right now. You know where I'm at. In baby's bed. In baby's bed. I miss my baby. I'm gonna start crying again. So crazy. Because when you're a parent, you want to break from your kid. You want to break from your child because they act a fool. And then when you don't see them, you get sad. That's what I'm feeling. I miss Avery. Okay, good night. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.